Oh my god. Hi everyone. And welcome to my channel, Knowing an Angel. Oh my god. Well, hi everyone. I am super excited because no, this time is not a makeup video. Thank you. Because I say very loud and clear that this channel was gonna be about traveling. Well, I haven't been able to travel anywhere, but oh! Well, I said very clearly that this channel was gonna be about traveling, cooking, and many experiences, but oh my god, thanks to the coronavirus, we haven't been able to do many things. But today I'm gonna be making this yummy, delicious, and super, oh my god, super well. Oh my god. Ow, awkward. Well, yeah, I'm super excited because I'm gonna make this yummy, delicious Peruvian pasta with meat. So please get your pan ready, your vegetables and everything because this pasta is gonna be delicious. Anyway, so please stay tuned. I'm gonna tell you step by step how to make this yummy, delicious Peruvian meat pasta. Oh! Alright, cutie patooties. So first of all, we're gonna heat up the oil in a hot pan and we're gonna, what do you call it? Saute the meat. This is the ground beef. Ooh, and look at that, that's looking already delicious. So we're gonna saute the meat for like a few minutes. Then we're gonna remove the meat and we're gonna start frying the onion. Saute the onion, okay, for like a couple minutes. And look at that. And I added a little bit more of oil, okay? But that's up to you. I usually like to put a little extra. It's just me. Now I'm putting the garlic. Usually I love garlic, so I put a lot of garlic. That's personal preference. So if you like garlic, go for it, my love. Now a cup of celery. Very nice, cute, and super chopped. Oh my god. So I'm sauteing. Oh my god, I'm saying it right. Oh my god, my English. Awkward. So this is like red bell pepper. That's half of the red bell pepper. Cut it very nice, cute, and tiny. Thank you. Oh my god. So saute all that for a few minutes. And we're gonna put our nice, cute, and delicious carrots. Oh my god. Why do I feel like my English is sounding horrible right now? Awkward. Okay, so we're gonna saute that carrot. And I'm putting chipotle sauce. That depends on you. Keep in mind that that's spicy, so not too much. I'm gonna add some black pepper. And then, oh my god, we're gonna put a cumin. Oh my god. So we're starting to add the flavor, honey, the flavors, the Latino flavors. Okay, so we're gonna add a little bit of salt. And later on in the video, I'm gonna be adding a little bit more, so the total of 2 spoons. Ooh. So move everything around, honey. aka saute everything. Oh my god. Ooh, look at that, that's looking delicious. So I'm putting some cherry tomatoes. Thank you. You can use regular tomatoes too, but I love cherry tomatoes on my cute pastas because I feel like it's a lot more sweeter or cuter or something like that. So I'm putting a tomato sauce, like a cup. Ooh. Oh my god, sorry, I'm being so crazy right now. So I'm putting the tomato sauce, shaking things around. Let me tell you, honey, at this point it's smelling delicious. So adding like half cup of water. And that's up to you how much you want to put, but usually I like my sauce to be a little bit juicy, nice and delicious. Thank you. Oh my god. Now stir it around. Ooh, look at that. So now I'm putting the meat. Remember I removed it in the first. Now I'm adding it back again so we can get all the flavor from the ground beef. Ooh, I'm adding a little bit more salt. And remember, honey, keep trying it so you don't make it salty. Thank you. Oh my god. Wow, that's looking amazing. Now I'm adding beef broth. You can put chicken broth or beef broth. I use a little beef cubes. Ooh. Now I'm putting, oh my god, what do you call this? The dry leaves? Oh my god. I don't know what are those called, but I think you know. Awkward. So I'm leaving it there for like 10 minutes. Ooh. Wow, it's smelling delicious, let me tell you, honey. Delicious! Alright, this is after like 20 minutes. I'm adding the mushrooms because I love mushrooms in my pasta. So at this point, everything was boiling for like 20 minutes in a slow heat. Now I'm adding the nice, cute, and delicious mushrooms. Oh my god, that looks so cute. I love it. And I'm gonna leave it on low heat for another 10. I'm adding a little bit of olive oil, cinnamon, and salt into the water for the noodles to taste delicious and yummy. And I added a little dry leaves too. I forgot what they're called. Boil your noodles for like 13 minutes and look at that, honey. Look at that sauce. Looking like pure scandal of deliciousness. Ooh, I lost the slow motion too. Okay, I'm putting some dry oregano. Very important. This is almost in the end. At this point, pretty much everything is ready. I cook everything probably like for about 40 minutes in a slow heat. Just to get the flavor, honey, the Latino flavor. Wow. Oh! Okay, now we're gonna serve the pasta in a plate. And the pasta is smelling delicious. And we're gonna add our nice, cute, and delicious meat sauce. And there you go, honey, Peruvian style pasta. Wow, and let me tell you, honey, it tasted like pure scandal and revenge. Oh my god, whatever that means. Look at that, that's the final step, honey. The plate, and it's looking delicious. And it was super delicious. And just like that, my love, we got ready with the pasta. I hope you like this video. It was extremely delicious, super easy to make, as you see. Oh my god. Well, thank you so much for watching, my love. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Drop me a comment, a question, any suggestion. What would you like me to make next? Ooh, what's going on over here? Awkward. Anyway, love you so much, everyone. And I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. And we're gonna be seeing you very soon. I promise I'm gonna be dropping more videos. I know lately I've been a little bit lazy or something, or I don't know what's been happening. But I promise that I'm gonna be bringing more videos more often, okay? Mwah, kisses, kisses, kisses. Be good and stay safe and be... oh my god. Be good, stay safe and be a good girl. Just like me. A good boy. Oh my god, TMI.